Boss Empire. What can this bot do? Build your own business empire. Rise from the student to an oligarch. Complete tasks. Invite friends. Compete with other players. And participate in lotteries with real money prizes. Their drop is coming soon. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. So today I will share with you this new Telegram bot, another top gaming. The name of this Telegram bot or playing bot is Mass Empire. Then I heard some comments that this Mass Empire is really created by Elon Musk, no? The owner of Tesla. But we will see if this true. So it is like a hamster combat, DW coin, the pixel tap that you have to do every day. Tapping, then upgrade, then doing any task to increase your earnings. Okay, so we'll proceed to this button, play. Then to launch this web app, you will connect to this website, then click start. Okay, this is Mass Empire. $15,000 real USDT welcome lottery. So token will launch for. So plan bonus, your company keeps earning 3 hours while you're applying, come back more. Open employees miss you. So 500 Mass token. Okay. So this is the the bot, the dashboard. So I have already profit per hour 8.4 thousand. So then this is the 15,000 lottery. If you click this lottery, so invite your friends and win up 15,000. For every friend you invite, you will get 1 ticket. For every 5 friend, you will get 2 bonus ticket. So I have only 1 ticket, then I already use, and I'll buy token for improvement or upgrade, no? So just I will wait for 8 days to have another one lucky lottery. Okay, so the next is you click this earn. So it is like other tapping bot or playing bot, just tap. Okay, so I have already profit per tap is +3. Okay, then improve. If you click improve, so it is like another like the other tapping bot. So we have sport, in personal sport, nutrition, sleep, brain. So you can use the money. Example, this is 18,000 to buy this stuff. No, so I already bought some of this, but there's also need a level 2. Example, sleep level 2. So in this empathy, if I will click, so need level 2. No, okay, but there is another example. This is sport. So if I will click, so level up your body to instant pitch marathon. So 800. Okay, so my profit per hour is 8.5. So it is like the hamster combat. No? Then the office, you can also buy this space, software, then this or equipment, then facilities, no? Entertainment. Okay, then in a team, secretary, business assistant, personal assistant, HR department, R&D department, marketing department, sales department. Okay, so this is the task that we have to do every day if you can earn money, you will buy this for upgrade, no? Then another is of course inviting friends. If you click this friends, no? So invite. So for you and your friend will get 5,000 tokens, no? Bonus for leveling up. The negotiation, if you click negotiation, so negotiation, battle with friends and get up to 100,000 coins for winning. The more friends you invite, the more battles you can activate to not waste time, no? Then quiz. So in quiz, so example, improve task manager. It is my time to claim. So claim 5,000. Okay. No? Another is invite 3 friends, 5 friends. No? Then I already wish the Elon Musk happy birthday. Then improve discipline, improve task manager. Okay. So this is the Mass Empire. It is like another free tapping bot. No? So I hope you get my point and try this new tapping game or tapping bot. No, I will put the link, my referral link in my description so that you will try this new game. No? But always remember, this is not a financial advice, only a educational purpose, sharing with you the opportunity. But you have to uh, search first or study first this kind of free tapping game before joining. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and of course don't forget to like my video, share with your friends, then comment in the section comment, then of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you and have a good day to all of you.